as sound quality goes, without a whole bunch of heavy bass, the studio version of Michael Jackson's Billie Jean sounds incredible in here.
Really? Oh, yeah. All right.
I'll find it for you.
Sure. Nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Oh, nice and carpeted. So this is your lithium bank?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was part of my technical question that I had for you later, so.
All right.
I've got more of this coming.
There you go. And this is the 2500?
35.
35, okay. Wow, single, oh, you got duals on it. All right. That's nice. All right. You're good. Nice.
So I got the idea for the sealed part there from Next Level Car Audio on YouTube. Follow him too.
Okay. Yep.
He did the same thing. It's
that works good using the little foam around the edges.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry about damaging your interior from foam or resin or anything like that.
Now my AC belt popped on me 2 weeks ago, so I had no AC. But
okay. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
Joe Lane. I've got 2 Scar ZVX 18s. Scar SKB 3500 on them. I'm getting ready to upgrade to an 8K.
All right.
Hopefully soon.
Nice.
270 CS alternator. Def Bonds 200x4 on Crescendo UN 6.5s, 4 of those, and 4 FT1s.
Sound quality too. You got balance of music everywhere. Looks good.
It doesn't sound bad.
Yes, sir. Do you know your bandwidth and the tuning?
No, because I haven't actually had it professionally tuned.
Okay.
I just did it all kind of by ear. The box is tuned at 48. It likes low to mid 30s. And it's designed by Drew Jones.
Okay. All right.
My son and I built it together.
Yes, sir. And you can actually put your seats back. Right now you have them down, but you're able to put them up.
Yeah, if I really push on them, they'll lock in, but I'd like to
yes, sir.
Like that, so.
All right. Cool, man.
All right, so let's find something decent here.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yeah. Looks good. Do you know your ratio on it?
2 to 1.
2 to 1. All right. You can play pretty much anything you want in here, I bet. And it's clean signal. You hear music, no distortion, and it sounds really good balance. So thank you very much.
Like I was telling you guys earlier, I'm a big 80s rock fan too. So,
all right,
so something like Def Leppard or Motley Crue is just
okay. Yes, sir.
louder than the concert.
Oh yeah, awesome, man. I appreciate it. I like it.
Man. Thank you.
And people were behaving like they ought to be. There lived a little boy who was misnamed. Inside we're gonna make some cash. Robbing old folks and making it cash. They did the job, money came with ease. But one couldn't stop, it's like he had a disease. He robbed another and another and a sister and a brother. Tried to rob a man who wasn't easy undercover. The cop grabbed him, he started engineering as a geese. stations, but she was coming and he made a left. He was running top speed till he was out of breath. Knocked an old man down, swore he killed him. Then he made his move to an abandoned building.
Lightning striking, yeah, raining pretty hard.
Yeah.
Wow, man, awesome. That's got really good bandwidth, that song, Children's Story.
It does.
Yeah.
The funny thing is like as far as sound quality goes, without a whole bunch of heavy bass, the studio version of Michael Jackson's Billie Jean sounds incredible in here.
Really? Oh, yeah. All right.
I'll find it for you.
Sure. Nice.
This thing's a little sensitive because my fingers are.
You got me so wild. You got me so high. So high I gotta feel the fire. And people are behaving like they ought to do. And if the little boy who was subway stations, but she was coming and he made a left. He was running top speed till he was out of breath. Knocked an old man down.
play pretty much anything you want in here, I bet you.
Yeah.
And it's clean
Yeah.
signal, you hear music, no distortion, and
Yeah.
it sounds really good balance. So
Yeah,
thank you very much.
like I was telling you guys earlier, yeah, I'm a big 80s rock fan too. So,
All right, yeah.
So something like Def Leppard or Motley Crue is just
Okay. Yes, sir.
louder than the concert.
Oh, yeah. Awesome, man. I appreciate it. I like
Thanks,
it.
man. Thank you.
Good job. Kept it clean and sounds good musical response. I appreciate the demo, man.